Spears Computer World here with the review of the Prestashop Theme Eveprest by Template Monster. And what I'm going to do first is show you how to install Prestashop. So depending on what version your sample data is for your Prestashop theme, you'll need to download that version. There are ways to upgrade, but I'll show you the way you need to do it. So what you'll need to do is go in the Prestashop folder and select all of these files that you see. Right click, and I'm using FileZilla, and hit upload. So I'll give it a few minutes to upload and then we'll come back. Once you get there with your credentials in, you'll want to test your connection. We'll give it a few seconds. So it says that the prefix was already found, so I need to go in. So what I end up having to do was to go into my database table and delete the prefixes for PS underscore. I already had them created. So if you have a pre-existing or an existing, Prestashop installation, you'll want to delete those things. So now my connection should work because I have all the login credentials correct. Let's cross our fingers. And so now we're connected. Now we can go to next to our system configuration. And it'll create the various files. So I won't make you sit through this. So once these files have installed, I'll check back in. So once your installation is finished, you'll have your email and password. That will be for your use, your credentials to log into your Prestashop. So maybe you'll want to print that out. Now, it says for security purposes, you must delete the install folder. So what you'll need to do is go back into FileZilla or your file manager and delete the install folder. Once you delete the install folder, then you'll be able to go into the back end of your Prestashop dashboard. So once you've deleted the install folder, then you can exit out of your FileZilla. And then you can manage your store. So I'm going to hopefully be able to get into the admin panel. And then I'll be able to put in my credentials that I told you would need to either print or write down. Once you've deleted the install folder, you should be able to see your dashboard. So if you've made it this far, that means you successfully made it in. So next, what I'm going to do is show you how to install the Eveprest Prestashop theme by Template Monster. Before we jump into the actual review, I want to say that this review is in partnership with Template Monster. So with the Eveprest Multipurpose Prestashop theme, you will be delighted to know that it comes with 10 fully featured premium Prestashop templates. It also comes built with the help of the TM or Template Monster Mega Layout Builder. So you're able to shape the home page on your online store and choose from a number of layout blocks. And you can read the rest there. It also has 10 plus premium modules worth $1,357, of which includes payment gateways such as PayPal and amongst other things. So that is a great value. Unlimited colors. You can choose any color theme that you need to let your design stand out. Clean and modern design. So it'll look just like the standards that you see for any online e-commerce store. It looks sleek and appealing to the eye. And it also has the TM product manager. So it helps you to help manage your products efficiently. The lookbook functionality allows you to display several products on one image. Add to collection. You're also able to use an advanced product filtering system. There are multiple header and footer variations, so you're not stuck with one footer or header variation. You can change it out. And then it's fully responsive and retina ready. So you'll have an e-commerce store that is Google compliant and appealing to the eye. Mosaic products grid, powerful mega menu, social login, which is key, which allows you to log in with Facebook, Google Plus, and other social media outlets. And the most important thing is extensive documentation that gives you step-by-step Installation helps, amongst other things. And of course, certainly last but not least is the 24/7 effective and friendly support. Template Monster aims to help every customer out with any technical aspects of the theme that they may have. So, without further ado, let's proceed to the review. So now we're going to install the Eveprest theme. I've been calling it Eveprest, so please excuse me for not saying it correctly, but it's the Eveprest. So what I'm going to do is go to Preferences. We're going to go to Themes. Once we're in Themes, you see that your default Bootstrap fashion template is there. So what you want to do is add a new theme. And it's going to be a zip file. So you're going to add that file. Wherever you have it located on your computer, you're going to go and locate that. So I have mine in Template Monster, and it is theme 5955. I'm going to go with this one. Wrong folder. Theme installer. So I'm going to go here. And I'm going to hit save. Upload it, you'll see successful upload. I'm gonna hit no thanks to that. So our next thing will be to say to this thing, let's use you. Okay, so with everything here, you can keep everything by default and just click save. You can always go back in case, like it says here, if you're unsure what to do next, just press save and proceed to the next step. So that's what you can do. Tells me that the theme 1382 has been successfully installed. You can go to documentation there, which I have it here. And what I'm going to do is next go to the thumbnail regeneration, just to show you what type of images there are. So I'm going to go back, and I think I may have gotten out of order with that. Okay. So after that, just simply hit finish. Now, what I'm going to do is next go and do my sample data install. I'm going to import that. Now, one thing that you want to be able to do here is make sure that the sample data matches the version of Prestashop that you have. When I was testing this app or this theme or Prestashop as a whole, I ended up installing 1.7. Well, when I began to put in the sample data, I realized that the sample data was for version 1.6.1.7. So when I tried to upload this data or this sample data for 1.7, it told me that the data I had was for 1.6.1.7. So you want to ensure that the data that you're uploading matches whatever version. So hopefully if you get a new theme, you may want to check with Template Monster to ensure that the theme or Prestashop theme that you are uploading is with either the most recent version, which 1.7 is out, and they do have beta versions. So you'll want to stick with the whatever data that the theme most recently reflects, if that makes sense. So I'm going to let this upload, and then next I'm going to show you a preview of how it looks. So once you have installed the sample data, we're going to just preview the website. We're going to go to my shop. So once the sample data is installed, it'll say installation complete. Then you'll be able to visit the shop. All your stock images should be on here. So as you can see, now you have a Eveprest theme with stock images. So the next thing you'll want to do is possibly go in and replace any of the images that you see with your own. Some of the things I want to touch on is your catalog, which, let's see, I'll have to go back in. Probably timed out on me. So in your catalog, you'll be able to upload new products. Then in your orders, you'll be able to take care of invoice your orders, of course, the orders that you have. You'll be able to see if it's awaiting any type of payment, if you have any payment errors. You can do invoices, all types of things that I won't delve into. I'm just giving you an overview of what this theme is capable of doing. In a more in-depth review or hands-on, I'll kind of go in and replace stock images and kind of give you a revamped website and some of the things that you can do as far as your price rules, modules and services, some of your shipping. Now, one of the things I want to point out is that you do have the Multipurpose slider, which is included. So you'll be able to use the Multipurpose slider. And let's see if I still have the help up. One thing I want to be able to show you is some of the template monster attributes that you'll have. So you'll have your template monster mega layout. And so this module allows you to create custom presets for hooks and displaying them at the site instead of the default positions. So under modules and services, you'll be able to install various payments and gateways like PayPal. If you have administration through one-on-one hosting, you'll be able to do those things. So you have a lot of different various modules and services. The one thing I was looking for was a few customizations by Template Monster in here. Let's see if I can find it. Like I said, you do have the Multipurpose slider. And so that'll be something I'll delve into later, but this has been an overview from Spears Computer World of how to install Prestashop and then how to install the theme itself and install the sample data. If you have any questions on this review, let us know. The Eveprest Prestashop e-commerce website template is very easy to install once you read all of your documentation. So the process to install is well documented by Template Monster, and you'll be up and running with your own e-commerce site in no time if you follow the instructions correctly. And it's very fluid. It's definitely another alternative next to Shopify and Big Cartel and other e-commerce website giants out there who allow you to sell products online. So it's Spears Computer World signing out.